Welcome to Indian Box. Wrap yourself in art and tradition. Shantiniketan's batik print scarves are vibrant expressions of Bengal's rich artistic heritage. Handcrafted by local artisans using centuries-old wax-resist dyeing techniques and natural dyes, each scarf is a masterpiece of authentic craftsmanship. These striking textiles effortlessly blend traditional motifs with contemporary style, offering global appeal. At Indian Box, we invite you to discover these wearable works of art, perfect for those who seek meaningful fashion and support cultural preservation through every purchase. Visva Bharati University, founded by Rabindranath Tagore, embodies the fusion of art and education. It nurtures thriving batik printing, a wax-resist dyeing technique that creates intricate patterns. This institution symbolizes West Bengal's rich artistic heritage and India's cultural diversity, making it a pivotal center for preserving traditional crafts. Artisans skillfully apply hot wax to fabric, creating intricate patterns that resist dye. During the dyeing process, these waxed areas remain untouched by color. Once the dyeing is complete, the wax is removed, unveiling the original fabric color in beautifully detailed patterns. This meticulous technique highlights the artistic mastery of Shantiniketan's batik tradition. Shantiniketan batik scarves are masterpieces of artistic excellence, featuring intricate designs crafted through meticulous wax-resist techniques. Artisans dedicate hours to perfect these patterns. Known for their vibrant color palette, these scarves use both natural and synthetic dyes for a stunning visual impact, embodying generations of artistic mastery and the skilled craftsmanship of Shantiniketan artisans. Shantiniketan batik scarves embody cultural fusion, merging traditional Indian motifs with contemporary design. They reflect Rabindranath Tagore's vision of global cultural exchange, incorporating classic patterns and symbols. Nature-inspired elements, featuring Bengal's flora and fauna, add a unique touch, creating a harmonious blend of heritage and modernity. These scarves offer diverse styling options. Wear them as neck accessories for a chic look or as head wraps for a cultural touch. They can accentuate bags or transform into elegant shawls, showcasing their adaptability and enhancing any outfit effortlessly. Lightweight cotton batik scarves offer sun protection and style for summer outfits. Quick-drying fabrics make them practical during India's monsoon season. In winter, silk batik scarves provide warmth and vibrant color, enhancing any ensemble. Each handcrafted batik scarf is unique, ensuring no two are identical. Their bold patterns and vibrant colors create a distinctive look, making them memorable fashion statements. These scarves also serve as conversation starters, inviting discussions about their cultural significance and the rich heritage of Indian craftsmanship. Empowering over 100 artisan families, the batik craft production sustains 3 generations of craft knowledge. With 60% of artisans being women, this initiative fosters economic independence, enhancing their roles within communities. The preservation of these skills not only supports livelihoods but also enriches cultural heritage, ensuring the continuation of traditional artistry. Preserving cultural heritage involves safeguarding Tagore's artistic vision through authentic batik methods. This ensures the continuation of traditional techniques vital for maintaining cultural identity. Supporting artisan communities is crucial as it fosters the transmission of community knowledge across generations, enriching cultural legacy and empowering artisans. Artisans prioritize sustainable production by using natural materials such as cotton and silk. Eco-friendly, plant-based dyes are employed to lessen environmental impact. Handcrafting techniques ensure minimal waste, while ethical production practices guarantee fair wages and safe working conditions for artisans, fostering a responsible and sustainable approach to craftsmanship. Shantiniketan batik offers unique gifts, showcasing authentic Indian craftsmanship ideal for friends and family. Its retail potential is significant, appealing to boutiques and specialty stores. The fashion industry finds inspiration in its cultural elements, while home decor enthusiasts appreciate its versatility as wall hangings or table accents. Premium cotton, silk, or blended fabrics ensure durability and comfort in Shantiniketan batik. Quality dyes resist fading, maintaining vibrant colors. Neat edges, consistent patterns, and smooth textures highlight craftsmanship. Authentic Shantiniketan batik features distinctive style elements and techniques, ensuring genuine cultural representation. Direct trade with artisan communities ensures authentic Shantiniketan batik products, offering genuine techniques and craftsmanship. By eliminating middlemen, we provide competitive pricing, enhancing value for customers. This approach supports sustainable livelihoods and cultural preservation, fostering a positive social impact while maintaining the integrity of traditional art forms. Thank you. Explore our collection of authentic Shantiniketan batik print scarves through India Unbox. Each purchase supports artisans, preserving traditions and aiding local communities. For inquiries, reach us at Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh, call +91 87-553-00795, email support@indianbox.com, or visit our website at https://indianbox.com/.